And like I said, it was good. Nothing really to write home about, but the restaurant itself is really cute. Here comes the guys. I think they're loving this. I hope so.
Very scary.
Very scary, yeah.
How's it going, Chef Marlin?
Oh.
But another dear friend sent something to me, and I'm going to show it to you. We are rolling, and we're going to go to a place called Two Chicks and a Hippie. Or
I'm not the hippie.
I might be the hippie.
You're
But
the
it's-
chickie.
But it's, well, that's true. I'm the hippie and the chickie, I guess. But it's a little restaurant, little bitty restaurant, and it's supposed to be super good. So we've gotten up early to go get some breakfast.
7:30 is not early.
Well, I know, we didn't set an alarm. It wasn't like that. But I love breakfast. That's my favorite meal. We hardly ever do it. And so I'm excited and I'm happy. And I should have set an alarm, but didn't. So we'll see how it goes.
I was up.
He was. I didn't sleep good. Sleep well. I did not sleep well. Pagosa Springs has two main areas, the downtown area and the uptown area. It's almost like two separate towns. Pagosa Pines RV Park conveniently sits right in the middle. The bike stops here. That's a butcher place, and then they have really good food in there too. And we are almost there. See how many cars are in the parking lot. Hey, look at there. When we went past here yesterday, this parking lot was buzzing. It was full. Merchandise. They have merch. To Two Chicks and a Hippie for breakfast, and it's a really cute restaurant. I like it, and the food was good. Nothing really to write home about. All right, my bad. I'm the first to admit it. I didn't order the right thing. I had no idea how popular Two Chicks and a Hippie is. I just went to their website. I watched a really neat video about them, and I didn't order the right thing. They are known for their breakfast. And I'm going to change. I'm going to put the description in the, I'm going to put the video in the description below. So make sure you look at it. It's a really interesting video about this restaurant. It's really good. I got to go back. The restaurant itself is really cute. So, I'm glad we went, and we're going to go here into the bus, and then I think get ready to go for a bike ride, if I can talk Mark into it. And guess what? I did talk Mark into riding bikes, and it was Gray's first time to ride on a bike trail. So we had a good time. I think they're loving this. I hope so, as much as I do. Guys are coming in for a landing. Where's the mark?
Yeah.
Wait, say that again.
Sleazy rider.
You're a sleazy rider.
I'm sleazy rider.
All right, Gray, what'd you think about your first bike ride in Pagosa Springs?
Really nice.
You like
Really
it?
nice, yeah.
Is it going to be a thing?
It's going to be a thing. I like to get Jill. I think Jill could do it next time, and if we can get all the bikes in the Jeep, we'd be all set.
Yep. I love it. And this is just one of the trails. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a good beginner one because it's only 4 miles, and there's lots of good stops along the way. And towards the end, when we were seeing all those restaurants, we can even stop and have a coffee, go up and have early morning coffee. Or sometimes we'll cross over there and go to the bakery.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
There you go. Now bakery's sounding real good.
If you watched last week's video, you know that one of these trees was struck by lightning, and the lightning arced over to the other tree. So now these guys are here today to take down one of the trees. And they said it would take about 6 hours to do that. They're not going to take it down at the base. They're going to cut it off midway up because Randy wants to use it as a base and then put a wooden statue up there, which will be really cool. So there you have it, and these guys are getting ready to go. Good Lord, that looks hard. No way I could do that. And as we were watching those mountain climbers, the rock climbers, that's who was cutting down the tree, we even enjoyed a delicious breakfast. Thanks a bunch, Jill. Oh, it looks fantastic.
I hope it's good.
Oh,
Y'all
we
get
got to
this
do
in.
the food spin. The food spin. There we go.
Food spin.
Yeah, okay.
I hope it's just cooked through. That's all my hope is. Can you hand me a plate, Greg?
Yeah,
It looks kind of watery.
high altitude stuff is
I know.
hard. And it's hot. It's steaming.
I hope. And please eat
Yay.
it all. I don't know, Gail. It's looking
Give
kind of
Mark that
sketchy.
piece down there.
I don't think so. So y'all will know it's Girls' Day.
It is Gil's Day.
Oh, that
Yes.
was perfect.
Every Thursday, Girls' Day. Tuesday's Mark's Day.
It's so nice.
Isn't it perfect?
How many times Josh gets hit on the head?
I know. Notice he does have a helmet.
Good call. Yeah, good call.
Oh, there he is.
Out there, Mark. Back right. Absolutely perfect.
Yay!
Very, very scary.
Very, very scary. Yeah.
You didn't get rocked too much, huh? Huh? Said you didn't get rocked too much? Enough to make me get a little pee in my pants.
It swayed a little bit.
I just had a little dribble. sure I don't have any ropes over my head.
That's why I told you earlier.
No ropes over my
He
head.
doesn't want anything that's going to grab him and take him with it.
Nice. Hey guys, we are making steak and baked potato and salad. Love it. Does it smell good? It does. I can smell the steaks from outside. And here's my salad. I love making salads like this. I'm putting some apples on them and sunflower seeds and bacon bits and cheese and carrots and boiled egg. Doesn't that look pretty? Mark doesn't understand pretty food, but it's pretty with all the different colors. I get the egg because Mark doesn't care for it. Oh, and there's the potatoes. And sensor error. Well, what does that mean? I did stick a fork in them. Well, it's tender. That's a little tough right there. This one, well, that's a little tough right there. You know what? I'm going to cook it a little bit longer. This is a convection microwave. It's a GE. I like certain things on it, but I like certain things on the KitchenAid that we have at home. I like the dial on this one. And the 30-minute timer. I mean 30-second timer. But what I don't care about it is on my one at home, it has a, along with these, where is it? Popcorn beverage sensor microwave settings right here. The one at home has popcorn and beverage, but then it also has warm to keep foods warm and a potato button. I just click it, it senses it, and it's ready to go. Here I have to hit cook, which isn't too bad once I read the manual, and then potato, and I don't know why you have to press it twice, but you do. But anyway, I'm going to cook it a little bit longer, and then I think they'll be perfect. Let's see what Mark's doing. Where's Mark? Oh, and there's Randy. He's trying the probe for the first time, so, you know, there's always a learning curve. Okay, let's see how these are now. Oh, perfect. Let's see how Chef Marlin is doing. How's it going, Chef Marlin? Oh, that looks good.
I got that in them. I think they're still rare.
The plate twirl. A wonderful dear friend of ours, Fred and Helen, they sent this beautiful, beautiful glass display, and I hope it shows up well here. But this is about Diesel, our Doberman, who we lost in April. We loved him to death, and so many other people loved him as well. But they surprised us and had this shipped to us, and it's absolutely gorgeous, and we love it. So we display it right there in our curio cabinet. So Fred and Helen, this is for you. Thank you so much. We love you dearly.